Well guys, so as you can see on my phone right now, this is a news platform that people are making money from it. Now if I show you my WhatsApp group, okay, my community, you can see that I've posted this thing here yesterday. Okay, as you can see, I posted it yesterday to show that this app is really paying. Now when you're here, it's either register by your email or by your phone. Now for those of you who are going by email, all you need to do is just give them your email and make sure you give them the password, then give them the invitation code showing on the screen right now. Put that invitation code here. But I have account with them already, so I'm just going to log in. So let me just log in real quickly. Let me show you how it actually works. So in case you like the video, don't forget to click on the bell icon below so that you can be notified anytime I drop incredible videos like this, as you can see on the screen real quick. Okay, so let me just log in real quick. Okay, so I've logged in. Now when you log in for the first time, they are going to give you an announcement, as you can see on the screen here, but just click on I know already. Now when you create the account for the first time, they are going to give you a free 70 USDT, as you can see on the screen, a free 70 USDT. But guys, you can't withdraw this money. So now somebody asked me, Shapiro, what are you going to use this money for? Now this is what you are going to use the money for. When you click on the VIP, you can see that the VIP one, you need to deposit 88 USDT to be able to withdraw 5 USDT every day. Now the VIP 2, you need to deposit 158 USDT to withdraw 19 USDT every day. And it's continuing like that. You can see the VIP 3, the same thing, the VIP 4, the VIP 5, and the VIP 5 you need to deposit 1000 plus USDT to be able to withdraw 215 USDT every day. When I continue, you can see that they have a lot of offers down to VIP 10, as you can see on the screen. Now mind you, we have 70 USDT here already, so all that I need to do is to add 18 USDT. You can see if I click on it, you need to add just 18 USDT to the 70 we are having already to be able to what, to purchase this the package 1 here real quick. Okay, to package the package 1, as you can see on the screen here. So we have the 70 already, so you need only 18 USDT to be able to withdraw $5 every day. Now when I click on the team 2 real quickly, you can see this is another way that you can make money from. So they have the referral program. This is your referral link. You can share this link to your friends to jump on this platform. Anytime your friends jump on this platform and they're making money from it, they're going to give you commission. Now after you have deposited the 8 USDT. Now somebody asked me, Shapiro, how are you going to deposit the 18 USDT? So all that you need to do is just click on recharge here real quick. Now just copy the address, go to your Binance or your Coinbase, whatever Binance account you are using, or sorry, crypto account you are using. Go there, just send them the 18 USDT. I've showed this on my last video, so I'm not going to show it here again because I don't want the video to be very long. So just send the 18 USDT to them. When you send it to them, now just come back here and click on what, unlock, and this one will be unlocked successfully. So in case you unlock it, all that you need to do to get your 5 USDT every day is to come to tax. So the tax will be available here for you to see. The tax will be available for you. So all that you need to do is just click on complete task, and guys, you are good to go. The main reason I don't want to put money here is that I've done this. I have a lot of apps like this that I'm working with already, so I don't want to add this one to it because my mind will not be on it. If they're made like that, my mind will not be on it on a particular one. So I want to finish one particular app before I go to another one. You can see this is the home button. This is how their home button look like. You can see the VIP, the amount of money that you're going to make. And guys, in case you have make any money here, make sure that you draw it. So in case they have sent, you have completed the task here, all that you need to do is what, make sure you draw your money back to your account. And every money you make here, make sure that you draw it. Make sure you draw every money. Don't leave any money here because we don't trust this app. Okay, so in case you need some help, you can also click on the icon here to take you to their Telegram channel, or you can chat the customer care in case you need any help with the app. So guys, this is what I have for you in today's video. Jump on this app, make some money on this app real quick before it casts again, because as I said earlier, this app are not going to last forever. They won't last forever. There will be a time that they will not work again. So make sure, this is a new app that released just yesterday, so make sure that you jump onto it and make some money from it before it casts again. So see you in my next video. I'm out.